destined to be a cowboy. No, you're not a hero just by galloping off in the sun. But you really need to be a cowboy. Fearless, keeping bandits, trampling on the run. Is a Ryder Carbine actually begun? My neighborhood, so outlaws are always outdone, and I'll bombard them from that window. So those weasels have a wild west was won. Bang, bang, with a Ryder Carbine action be begun. My teacher could be taken by a pack of goons. My class might be invaded by raccoons. The kids would hurry down the hall as tigers try to eat them all, but they would be okay. I'd swoop in and save the day. And the girls would sigh and say, "You're Ralphie." When you're big and brave like me, no bully can ever make fun. My mom is crying, "Cowboy Ralphie!" While my dad is shouting, "That boy, he's my son." Action be begun. But it's almost nearly getting close. Counting down the clock and said, "Don't know how, don't know who, but I just know I gotta get a Ryder Carbine. Stuck with the compass, Ryder Carbine action be begun."